Good morning, guys. So it's 23rd May today, and the time right now is actually around 12 p.m. So basically, the entire morning we had like a college project presentation. So it's like a major project presentation, if you get it. So I was doing like the PPT. I woke up at around 7:40. I actually almost completed the PPT last night, and that's why I didn't really vlog because I was doing the presentation, and a little bits and pieces were left, which I completed today morning, and then we had the presentation. I don't know how it actually go because I don't know. I think it was not bad. So yeah, whatever, we are done with that, and I have to edit a vlog, so I'll do that. And also I'm hungry for an ice cream. No, I don't want to have any food. I'm hungry for ice cream. So we are going to go have an ice cream, edit the video, the birthday outfits video, which will be going up today by 7 p.m. And yeah, I'll just set everything up for the 24-hour challenge. So yeah, let's go have some ice cream. So this is how the ice cream cake looks like. It is an ice cream cake. I think it has like a brownie layer or something on the top. So yeah, I'm going to be eating this. I'm going to be switching on the screen and watching Real Housewives of Beverly Hills while I eat this. And also I'll be editing today's video. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye. So yeah, came down for the first time. Now I just saw a cat somewhere, but it's gone. So I'm having some mangoes and chilling and editing too. And guys, it's raining. Unpopular opinion, but I hate rains. I really hate rains. I don't like them. But the breeze is nice too. It's really nice. Such a nice. For a walk. Chalo, Louis, come. It's very cool out there and it's very hot inside the home. So yeah, we are going out for a walk, and these papers are because of the painting work. So yeah, let's go. Louis, chalo. Chalo, 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 chalo. Louis, ikkada. Look at this road, how beautiful it is. I wish I could click pictures here, and the tree, so good, so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this guy, Louis, come. He wants to do all the mischiefs possible in this world. Literally. There's our farmhouse. And there's Louis. आपका डांस बहुत अच्छा है. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm in the kitchen for no particular reason. So yeah, the lighting is better here, I think. So yeah, the time right now is actually around 11 p.m. So I have a plan right now. First, I'm going to go quickly take a shower because showers at night are important to me. I'll quickly go take a shower, and then we are going to be filming an Instagram reel. I really like this background music, background sound. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we are going to be doing a reel today. Just guys, so the time right now is actually around 1:30 a.m. and this is how my makeup looks like. Initially, I wasn't really sure of it, but I really think it looks great in front of the ring light. I tried a white eyeshadow for the first time. I'm doing a lot of experiment with makeup. I am obsessed with makeup. I love makeup, but I think I like fashion a little more than makeup. That is what I have realized recently. But yeah, This is how my makeup looks like in front of a ring light. I actually forgot to bring my blush. I forgot to bring my highlighter. I forgot to bring my contour. I don't even know so many bags what I packed for. So basically I use like an eyeshadow for my blush. The same eyeshadow which I used on my eyelids, that is the eyeshadow which I use like a highlighter, and I think it's fab. I really like the way my makeup turned out. I'm even pretty satisfied with the way the reel is. I expect it to be a little more good. Again, I'm never satisfied, you know, that is my problem. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And yeah, I plan to do only one reel. So yeah, I'm done for the day finally, and I'll see you day after tomorrow. Morning. So it's 24th May today, and the time right now is actually around 12 p.m. I'm just done filming the 24-hour in my home theater video, and today we are going to give Louis a bath, and also he's going to be doing his favorite thing, swimming. If you've seen my previous vlog, we bought like a super huge inflated pool for him, and today we are going to be doing that, and also he'll be taking a bath. So let's go. Pool is actually being inflated in that room. So this guy is standing outside. Can you hear it? He's very excited. So, Louis, do you want to swim? You want to swim? You know, we are not letting him in because, you know, he's going to ruin everything. And also, let's see. This guy is the most mischievous dog on the planet. He'll just put his claws in it and ruin it. So yeah, that's why he's waiting outside with his cute tongue. Chalo. Wait, Louis. Cutie. Louis, come out.
నాకొద్దురా రే
లూయి నీకు స్విమ్మింగ్ చేయడానికి రాదు లూయి. Louis. Louis. Oh my god, look at his tail. Louis? Hey, what are you doing? Are you chilling? Look at his tail, guys. Hi, cutie. Oi, sit.
गुड बॉय लुई गुड बॉय असं बैठा तो अच्छा साफ होता.
Look who is all dry and clean. And I'm still wet. Just took like a really nice bath, and look what is he doing again. Bad boy Louis. Okay, so it's 5:30 right now, and we are plucking few mangoes here. If you can see, we're gonna be plucking these mangoes, and here's my baby. Hello, Rashmi. More here. You can see there are like so many mangoes here, hanging almost till the ground. There are more here, if you can see. This is the close-up view of the nest, you know. They fell off. There are birds above, you can see. And yeah, this is the nest. How creative is it? Like, wow. And these are my mangoes. Are they screaming at me? I'll leave. I don't. Aim to. Having my evening chai. Pretty much it for this vlog, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this vlog a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.